back to my YouTube channel. I'm Trishauna, and today we'll be doing a easy and quick hairstyle for natural hair. And this is basically two cornrows straight back. So if you would like to see how I accomplished this style, keep on watching. Now I started off by detangling my hair and adding some moisturizer to make it a bit more easier to work with. I then proceeded to use a rat tail comb to part my hair into two sections. And this is as straight as I could get the part to be. I then went on to use my Morris edge wax to help to tame the edges of my hair. Now, after brushing in the edge wax, I then use the Got to Be Glued spray to help hold my hair in place to one side, or the side that I was working on. And here, as you can see, I'm about to start the braid for one side, and I start off with 3 strands of hair at the front. And I hope you guys can see what I'm doing and actually learn from it, because I'm actually terrible at explaining. But the main thing that I'm actually doing is just ensuring that the braid is actually close to the scalp, not really tight, because you don't want it to be, uncomfortable. So close to the scalp, and ensure that each time you're picking up here and you're going backwards. Alright, so now that one side is completed, we'll just basically repeat the same thing on the next side. Now you can actually leave them like this, but I decided to crochet the ends to the opposite sides. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video or you learned something new, don't forget to hit the like button down below, hit the subscribe button as well, and hit the post notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post a new video.